Hey guys, I wanted to show you what I picked up from the Victoria's Secret SAS. I thought they were going to bring back some scents that we hadn't seen in a while, and they didn't. I did go ahead and pick up 2 of the Coconut Woods body mist. I heard Shaughnessy here on YouTube talk about these, so I was like, well, I do love coconut, so let me go ahead and get my hands on those. It's a little bit about the scent. I won't read it word for word for you guys, but you can definitely pause it if you want to. And I picked up the Velvet Petals Heat. I also have I already have Bare Vanilla Heat, but I wanted to pick this one up. And then I got 1 body lotion because I don't have any Velvet Petals lotions at all, not in the original or not in this one, so this is my first one. And I really like this scent. It's actually really good. So here are the scent notes: Sugared Iris, Golden Amber, Velvet Petals, Heats Up. For some reason, this one gives me a little bit more fall vibes though. It's not really all that summery to me, but I mean, you still could wear it in the summer, and you probably could even pair it with the original to make it really, you know, even more summery. So this is Sliver of Sun, and it's another one of those coconut scents. It's a fresher coconut, so it is bright bergamot and coconut musk. It's actually really nice, so I did get 2 of those. I did see the lotions as well, but I didn't pick up any of the lotions because, again, I already have Coconut Passion, so I'll just pair that one with this one whenever I wear this one. Then they also had the 5 for $38. So the 5 for $38 was part of the Velvet Petals. I used Velvet Petals, and then I got Surf on the Wave. I know that a lot of people actually didn't like this one. I love this one. I don't know. It's just like a creamy, kind of fresh, kind of powdery type of coconut, and I don't have one like this one. I have citrusy ones, I have creamy like gourmand ones, I have a few other ones, but this is the very first one that's actually like a powdery, like fresh, but still slightly creamy at the same time. I actually did a review on this one, so if you haven't seen that, definitely check it out. And then the packaging is very nice, but the scent notes are cracked coconut, TR petals, and it says the tide is high. Last thing that I picked up from Burlington yesterday is Escada Rosso. Very watermelon strawberry fragrance. It smells so good. It smells like a yummy fruit bowl. I was in love with this, and I'm not even like a huge fruity or fruit bowl kind of person, but this one was so good. So that's everything for my haul, you guys. I'm not going to be picking up anything else until the fall. I am actually ready for the fall collections. I'm not really ready for the fall, but I am ready for the fall collections just because I did smell them in my store, and they were setting everything up, and it just smells like fall goodness in there, and I just can't wait to get my hands on them. So stay tuned for more hauls, stay tuned for more combination videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in another video. Bye.